Hola. Ayo, 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 Natello. Represent CC Live. Oh, whoa. CC said she ready to educate, so make sure you log on to CC Live. She inspired, so make sure say you want you need to CC.
Of the book that we're going to be reading today. Wait.
Only for you. And when you want motivation, just listen to our talk. Make sure say you want to log on to CC.
Hi guys, it's your girl Cece here again, and with this current pandemic, I've been forced to do a lot of things that I was not prepared on doing. Yes, I've been forced to become a teacher. I'm not complaining. Kudos to the teachers nonetheless. It's an awesome job, and guys, I'm here to implore you today that as parents when you're at home, it's not easy. It's not an easy job. And so hats off to the teachers. But parents, we have a responsibility. You heard that? We have to take care of our children at home. We cannot just put a device in front of them to say, hey, just watch this, do that for the whole day. We have to play our parts. We have to make sure that they have a structure. I have to deal with all of this. We have to make sure that they have a structure. So for me, I follow the teachers on an app called Class Dojo. And what I do is that I make sure that I'm in sync with them. Oh, she have one choker. We'll talk about that later. But yes, look at this video and you'll see what I'm talking about. What happened?
Okay, Taylor and Talia, what date is today?
Monday, April 27, 2020.
And what's the title of the story?
Up in the garden and down in the dirt.
Good job. This is called a quotation. Okay, when you get older, I'll teach you more about it. All right, Taylor, what do you think of, do you know what a garden is?
Yup.
What does a garden have in?
A garden has dirt and bugs
Yeah.
and insects.
Okay. And Talia, can you tell me something that you can find in a garden?
You can find roly-polies.
Okay.
You can find snakes.
Okay. What about plants?
And you can find flowers.
Awesome. Good job. Are we focusing today? Are we focusing?
Yep.
All right. So I want you guys to Talia, can you please sit down? Remember, you're in a classroom. So I need you guys to listen to the story.
Talk about all two of them.
No, just listen to the story. What's the name of the story again?
Up in the garden and down in
Talia,
the dirt.
what you looking for in the nose? Gold?
Down
Need to go spread those chairs. Come up in the garden and...
in the dirt.
Okay.
Up in the garden and down in the dirt.
All right.
Up in the garden and down in the dirt. Up in the garden and down
So
in the
listen,
dirt.
calm down. I need you to focus on listen to the story. Because I'm going to ask you a few questions. And I need you guys to look at it because I will need you to draw me a garden, okay?
My hands full of seeds.
While you do that, I'm going to go spread the chairs.
And of course, it gets challenging. The constant bickering and mom, she did this, she did that. It can get to you. But I really do believe that we cannot just sit down and look at, the events of this pandemic as a total con. We have to see that there are pros in this. I specifically, I'm learning more patience. I'm getting to know my children. I'm getting some rest. There are things to it. I don't even know what happened just now. I got a call, but yes. Yes, there are a lot of things to learn from it. I'm getting some rest, I'm doing more cooking, I'm being more organized, I'm getting rid of things, and it's just a lot, to all digest at once. But we can do it, we should do it. And parents, I urge you, please, to pay attention to your children's education. It is vital, and you have to play your part.
Bring your babies, or can you bring babies to real school?
No.
So why do you want to bring your babies to my school?
Because it's home.
Taylor, where's your baby? So you're sneaking in your baby here.
I know there.
And she has her cocked up on the table. All right, guys, this is what we're going to do for today. So you just listened to the story. What is the name of the story again?
Up in the garden and down in the dirt. And down in the dirt.
Awesome job. So remember some of the things that you said you can find in a garden? Do you remember what some of the things are that you told me?
Yeah.
What did you tell me, Talia?
Roly polies.
Okay, whatever those are. And what else?
No, not plants. Flowers.
Okay, there's still plants. And Taylor, what can you
there's
find in a
two.
garden? Yeah, Taylor, what can you find in a
I'll
garden?
just do one more. Ladybugs.
Bless you.
Thanks.
That's how you sneeze, guys. And Taylor, something else.
And grasshoppers.
Awesome. So you guys are gonna draw on your little sketch pad. First, what do we normally write on the lines? What are we gonna write on the lines first?
Nothing.
Taylor, what are we gonna write on the lines?
Up in the garden, down in
No, we always write the date so that when we're going back through the books, we
gonna
know
write-
what day we did what.
Monday, April 27, 2020.
Okay. And then your exercise is to draw a garden and draw whatever you can find in a garden and you're gonna color it, okay?
Okay. I'm starting.
All right.
Me too. Is
It's the book that we're gonna be reading today. Wait.